Are you concerned about your cardiovascular health? Do you want to take proactive steps to maintain clean and healthy arteries? If so, this video is for you. We'll explore the power of nutrition and how certain foods can help clear your arteries, promoting better blood flow and overall well-being. Get ready to discover a delicious and natural approach to keeping your arteries in top condition. In this comprehensive guide, we'll cover the following topics. 1. Understanding the importance of artery health. 2. Identifying the culprits behind artery blockage. 3. Unveiling the superfoods that can help cleanse your arteries. 4. Practical tips for incorporating these artery-friendly foods into your diet. 5. Success stories and scientific evidence supporting the artery cleanse diet. So, let's dive in and learn how to nourish our bodies with the right nutrients for optimal artery health. Section 1. Understanding the importance of artery health. Your arteries play a crucial role in transporting oxygen-rich blood throughout your body. However, over time, these vital vessels can become narrowed or blocked due to the buildup of plaque. This condition, known as atherosclerosis, can increase your risk of heart disease, stroke, and other serious health issues. Maintaining healthy arteries is essential for ensuring proper blood flow and reducing the likelihood of these complications. Section 2. Identifying the culprits behind artery blockage. Several factors contribute to the accumulation of plaque in your arteries. These include unhealthy dietary habits. Consuming foods high in saturated and trans fats, as well as refined carbohydrates, can promote inflammation and plaque formation. Smoking. The chemicals in tobacco smoke can damage the lining of your arteries, making them more susceptible to plaque buildup. High blood pressure. Elevated blood pressure can put extra strain on your arteries, potentially causing damage over time. High cholesterol levels. Excess cholesterol, particularly low-density lipoprotein, LDL, or bad cholesterol, can accumulate in your arteries and contribute to plaque formation. Section 3. Unveiling the superfoods that can help cleanse your arteries. Fortunately, nature provides us with a wealth of artery-friendly foods that can help combat plaque buildup and promote healthy blood flow. Here are some of the top superfoods for an artery cleanse diet. 1. Leafy green vegetables. Rich in nitrates, leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula can help dilate your blood vessels and improve blood flow. 2. Berries. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, berries like blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries can help protect your arteries from damage. 3. Fatty fish. Oily fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and lower triglyceride levels. 4. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are rich in heart-healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants that can contribute to artery health. 5. Whole grains. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice provide fiber, vitamins, and minerals that can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. 6. Avocados. Packed with monounsaturated fats, avocados can help raise levels of high-density lipoprotein, HDL, or good cholesterol, which can help remove plaque from your arteries. 7. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help prevent plaque buildup in your arteries. 8. Green tea. Rich in catechins, green tea is a powerful antioxidant that can help improve artery function and reduce the risk of heart disease. Section 4. Practical tips for incorporating artery-friendly foods into your diet. Adopting an artery cleanse diet doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. Here are some practical tips to help you incorporate these nutritious foods into your daily routine. Start your day with a smoothie packed with leafy greens, berries, and nuts or seeds. Incorporate fatty fish like salmon or mackerel into your meals at least twice a week. Snack on a handful of nuts or a sliced avocado with a sprinkle of lemon juice and a pinch of salt. Replace refined grains with whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, or whole wheat bread. Enjoy a cup of green tea as a refreshing beverage throughout the day. Experiment with different recipes that feature these artery-friendly ingredients, such as salads, stir-fries, and whole grain bowls. Section 5. Success stories and scientific evidence supporting the artery cleanse diet. Numerous success stories and scientific studies support the benefits of an artery cleanse diet. Here are a few examples. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that individuals who followed a Mediterranean-style diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, had a significantly lower risk of developing atherosclerosis. Research conducted at the University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA, demonstrated that a diet high in antioxidants and fiber from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can help reverse the progression of atherosclerosis. Numerous personal testimonials from individuals who have adopted an artery cleanse diet report improvements in their cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and overall cardiovascular health. Conclusion: by incorporating these nutritious, artery-friendly foods into your diet, you can take proactive steps towards maintaining healthy arteries and reducing your risk of heart disease and other cardiovascular issues. Remember, small dietary changes can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Embrace the power of whole, nutrient-dense foods and embark on a journey towards a cleaner, healthier cardiovascular system.